Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and I recently started to lift heavy weights, and that was making my wrist pretty sore when I was working out. So I got these awesome DMoose wrist wraps. Now these are a must for lifting weights. It feels so safe when I work out using this because it takes all the stress out of my wrists and it helps me focus on the muscles I'm working out. They're very easy to put on and off, and they also have a thumb loop on each of the straps so you can have a better grip when you're working out. So if you do weightlifting, I really recommend this pair of wrist wraps by DMoose. I think they are excellent quality, they're very well made, and they're a very good price. And that is my point of view.